Gordon, Greece slipped deeper into a financial abyss after it became the first developed nation to default on its debt. But Greek and European officials are still working to find a way out of the crisis. Dale Hurd has the story.
Panic-stricken Greeks mobbed banks that open today especially for pensioners who don't have bank cards to allow them some access to their money. This woman says the situation is miserable. It's going from bad to worse. We don't know what is waiting for us tomorrow. This man says it's a catastrophe. I made money, I sent my children to the best schools, and today they're starving. After Greece made a last-ditch effort to extend its bailout, Eurozone finance ministers decided late Tuesday that there was no way they could reach a deal before the deadline. Greece became the first developed country to default on a loan from the International Monetary Fund. All around the European Union, nations are holding their breath, hoping this does not become what the Bank of Greece warned could be an uncontrollable crisis.
It's very painful for the Greek people, and it can have a significant effect on growth rates in Europe. And if Europe's not growing the way it needs to grow, that has an impact on us.
But now the Financial Times has obtained a leaked letter from Greece's government to Eurozone officials that appeared to show that Athens is ready to concede to creditor demands over new bailout terms. Eurozone finance ministers were preparing to hold a conference call. A referendum had been scheduled for Sunday over whether Greece will stay in the European Union. But in another surprise move, the government hinted that it might be open to calling off the popular vote. European officials and Greek opposition parties have been adamant that a no vote on Sunday will mean Greece will leave the euro, and possibly even the EU. But for ordinary Greeks, whether their country goes or stays, the worst has already happened. This taxi driver says, "Things remain the same, it's just chaos. I think things will get better. I personally will vote no in the referendum because either way I'm ruined. It can't get any worse for me." Dale Hurd, CBN News.